everyone, it's Panic Button. Today I have 20 rubies to spend. Just wanted to record how I'm going to get another Alex, Duncan, Hunt, or some other garbage ranger. Alright, wish me luck. Come on, useful rangers. Oh god, I can't look. Oh my god. Oh my god. That just happened. I have never gotten a Sorcerer Coney. Get out of town. I don't believe this. And I recorded it. Woo! Wow. 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 Okay, so that was cool. I'm glad I could share that with you. Huh. Never gonna happen again, probably. Alright, thanks for joining me and sharing that lovely occasion. I'll see you again soon.